Hey guys, so a few months ago, an intraday trader got in touch with me. He was looking to do algorithmic trading on Interactive Brokers TWS using Excel, and he wanted to specify the conditions of initiating a buy or a sell using Excel formulas. So I helped him build this Excel tool, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. This is the Excel tool. There are four sections in this Excel tool. The first section is the contract details section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to do the algorithmic trading. The next section is the volumetric section. Excel will fetch the volumetrics from TWS like volume, average volume, relative volume, dollar volume, volume per minute, 3-minute volume, 5-minute volume, and 10-minute volume. The next section is price metrics section. In this section, Excel will fetch last, high, low, close, percentage change, bid, ask below, high percent spread, and the percentage spread. And finally, the last section is the algorithm condition section. In the first column of this section, Excel will fetch the currently open positions. In the second column, Excel will return a value of true if there is an existing open order in the specific contract, and a value of false if there is no existing open order. In the third column, Excel will fetch the average cost of the currently existing open position. Then in the fourth column, we need to specify the amount of shares that we want to purchase. In the fifth column, we need to specify the conditions for opening a position. And then in the last column, we need to specify the conditions for closing a position. So as an example, I have used Excel formula to determine the condition for opening a position. So if percentage spread is less than 0.03%, the buy condition is satisfied. Similarly, if the percentage spread is greater than 0.03%, then the sell condition is satisfied. Now, here is how this algorithm will work. If there is no existing open position and no existing open order, and the buy condition is satisfied, then this Excel will send a buy order. Similarly, if there is an existing open position and no existing open order, and the close condition is satisfied, then this Excel will send a sell order. Now let's click on this refresh TWS data button. And as soon as we do that, this Excel starts fetching the price and the volumetrics for the contracts. Now let's open this Excel alongside TWS. So I'll do this. And now let's click on this Start Algo button. And now you will see that as soon as the buy or the close condition is satisfied, this Excel transmits the orders to TWS. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.